Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It greatly helps out my channel. Also, smash that thumbs up button. In this video, I'm showing you on a Honda Accord where the fuel pump relay is located at. It's one of the most common problems on these Honda Accords is the fuel pump relay. You go to turn the key on and the car's cranking, but it won't start. And and then 1 minute you turn it on, like if it's cold outside or really hot out. Let's say it's doing it again, you turn it on. 1 minute it starts, the next minute it don't. You can't figure out what's wrong with it. Well, these Honda Accords are common, known all over the world for the fuel pump relays in them to go bad. What it is, the relay housing is plastic and it gets condensation and moisture inside that housing. Here, I can show you on this one. What it does, it gets, let me open this and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, inside this relay housing, this gray cover that you can pop off by pressing them tabs in right there, and one on the outside right there. Inside the housing, moisture gets inside there, or if it gets really hot, the solder joints in there, they break down over time. So then, let's say if it's really cold out or extremely hot out, the vehicle doesn't want to start. You turn it on and crank and it won't start. And one indication that you can tell if this relay is kicking on or not is actually, let me turn the wheel here and I'll show you. Alright guys, once you got the key in the ignition, one of the things you can tell, how you can tell if your fuel pump relay is bad and not working, turn the key on. If the check engine light does not go off with all your other lights, as the car's, all the sensors and everything are registering, then that relay is not working and your car will not start. Like I said, in order for that check engine light to go off when you just turn the key over, turn it to the on position, if that relay is faulty, the check engine light and all the other lights won't go off and the car will not start. So let me show you where that relay is located at. It's right here on the driver's side, under the kick panel, up under the steering column. Get a flashlight here and I can show you. Right. And there's that relay right there with the plug unplugged from it because we're going to replace it. But it's right here. It's on the right hand side of the steering column. Right there. So if y'all find this video useful, like I said, on your fuel pump relay on a Honda Accord, make sure y'all hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.